Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what I can confidently say is the best plant embroidery kit on the market, the TINDTOP Embroidery Kit for adults, featuring a beautiful cactus design. If you're a beginner looking to get started with embroidery or a craft lover searching for a new project, this kit has everything you need to create stunning, hand-stitched artwork. First off, this kit comes thoughtfully packed with all the essential tools and materials. You'll receive a 7.9-inch embroidery hoop that is adjustable, allowing you to keep your fabric taut and easy to work with. The kit includes 2 pieces of embroidery fabric, each pre-printed with charming cactus patterns that make stitching simple and enjoyable. The fabric size, roughly 11.4 by 11.4 inches, gives you plenty of room to work on a detailed yet manageable project. Alongside the fabric and hoop, the kit provides an ample selection of colorful embroidery threads, needles, and even needle threaders to help you get started quickly. You'll also find practical tools like a pair of scissors and a seam ripper, which come in handy for corrections and finishing touches. What's great about this set is that it isn't just a random assortment. It's carefully curated to guide you through the entire process with ease. The package includes 2 detailed instruction manuals that walk you through basic embroidery skills, different stitching techniques, and tips on how to frame your finished masterpiece. This makes it perfect for adults who are beginners, as the instructions are clear and the patterns are simple without being boring. It's designed to spark creativity and help you build confidence in your stitching abilities. One of the standout features is the adjustable hoop. Unlike fixed hoops, the screw mechanism lets you tighten the fabric as you work, keeping everything smooth and preventing puckering. This attention to detail makes your stitching experience much more enjoyable and professional looking. This embroidery kit is also a wonderful gift idea. Whether it's for Christmas, a birthday, or just a thoughtful surprise, crafting a piece with your own hands always adds a personal touch that ordinary gifts lack. The cactus theme is trendy and fresh, appealing to plant lovers and anyone who appreciates unique handmade art. In terms of size and portability, the entire kit is compact enough to take along on travels or to work on during a cozy afternoon at home. The materials are suitable for all seasons, so you can enjoy embroidery whenever inspiration strikes. In summary, the TINDTOP Embroidery Kit for adults with its cactus design offers a complete, beginner-friendly experience with quality tools, clear instructions, and beautiful patterns. It's more than just a craft kit. It's a creative outlet that helps you unwind and produce something truly special. If you want to try your hand at embroidery or need a fresh hobby, this kit is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest reviews and the best product recommendations. See you next time.